And then Le Chant, again, this is starting to come together. Keep it very gentle. That's the only thing I would say. We haven't looked at the dynamics particularly at the moment. It does need to be a very expressive piece of music, all right? And a very gentle piece of music. At the beginning, you've got P, which means piano, which means quiet. Expressive, which is unusual. Espressivo is the Italian word. Expressive, well, you can guess that means expressively, doesn't it? It sounds like the English word. So it does need to be played, you know, with a bit of feeling in the music. So don't play it too loud or too heavy. Okay, so I'm going to play it through as far as we've got up to, which now is actually through to the end. So I might just play it all the way through. There's still a couple of bars that you don't count. You've got to consciously count. Not every single bar, you feel the beat naturally, but when the music stops, like on a minim or a dotted minim, if there's nothing else being played in that bar in the other hand, for instance, you've got to count the music. So you must do that. I do feel like a broken record sometimes, that I'm getting stuck saying the same things over and over again. All right, it is down to you. You're the one playing it, so you're the one who's got to do that. So from the beginning, straight in, 1, 2, 3, keeping quite gentle, okay? 2, 3, here, count, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Put your writ in here. Hold this chord a little bit longer. It's got a pause sign on it. Then do a break and pick your speed back up again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Use the same fingering as the beginning. Right, the fingering into the music if necessary. 2, count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now slightly different here. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and a pause. So hold it quite a long time and then let go. Okay, there was a bar, I remember now as I played it, this one, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, where you didn't count that rhythm in the left hand. So it's the minim. You must wait 2 beats and place that on the 3rd beat. Right, it has to be precise. I can't keep emphasising that enough. Yeah, so if you need to, put some of this fingering in. Don't just think you're going to automatically remember it. Where's the other one? Oh, that's the 3rd finger there. So maybe at this end here, this last section, just check the fingering you use in the first section and make sure you're using the same. Okay, so we put these 2 bars in today. That's 21 and 22, but you worked it out. So you've got, well, let's go back to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, where the left hand has the tune. Okay, do a break. Now, the left hand doesn't have to move anything, but the right hand needs to move the 4th finger. You see that? Moving the 4th finger to the D. Because you've got these 2 fingers here going to the black keys over the top. Then there's a complete break and you move your hands back to the 1st position of the music and start again. Okay? So you've got counting written in at the end, hopefully, as well. You've got to count a full bar just of 3 beats. There's nothing being played, it's just being held. So again, it's down to you to make sure that you count that. Although you do the lift of the G in the left hand, make sure the right hand definitely here joins to that last note. Okay, we don't want a little break there. That would spoil the ending of the music. Okay, so again, it's still counting, but it needs to be very gentle, and you need to start thinking about that when you're playing, okay? We will put a little bit more dynamic in it, but at the moment, just keep it nice and gentle.